This is the big Viscose rug. The left side obviously is where I've been working it with the end cap. This is kind of a grayish blue rug. It's kind of hard to tell what color it is through the camera. Anyway, see where we've worked it and then where I haven't worked it. It's a big difference. But guys, if you see Viscose on the tag, never ever try to clean it yourself. It will turn brown just like this, and sometimes it can't be fixed. But this one, the idea is to get the product on there. The encapsulation cleaner is amazing. One of its best features is when it dries, you vacuum it and it'll pull out any of the browning that has come up in the wicking or in the drying process. It'll wick up, and but sometimes the fibers will actually turn brown and the fibers themselves have died. I don't think that's the case on this one. It's coming out, so I'm going to try to get this end cap really rubbed in, get out as much of this brown as possible, and then we're going to try to speed dry this. That's the trick with a Viscose. You've got to get it wet, get it dry really fast, and preferably with an end cap cleaner, something that you can pull the brown out just with vacuuming if there is any brown, which I'm sure there is probably going to be a little bit, and hopefully it'll just vacuum out. We'll find out. Here it is on the drying rack. Be ready to go tomorrow.